welcome to the vlog. I want to go ahead and thank SHEIN because they have really become like a one-stop shop for me. This hair right here that I have on is 26 inches. It's considered a piano style wig, right? That is, for me as a cosmetologist, we usually call this the pinwheel effect in hair coloring, but either or, piano, pinwheel, however you want to say it, this is absolutely beautiful. The packaging that it came into as well, it just says quality hair marketplace. This is how it came out to me. Real hair for you, selected by SHEIN. And I wanted to wear this wig and do this a little differently than doing a typical application and stuff like this, because this is a glueless and it does have the adjustable straps and everything. And so I adjusted it perfectly to my head. And just because my head is small and my hair is fine, my hair can be extra slippery. So I literally just tacked the wig just right here, but everywhere else is still glueless. And so I wanted to like review the wig before I ever curled it, before I ever styled it, before I ever did anything to it. So really quickly, of course, I've already taken it out the packaging. As you guys can see, 26 inches for sure. And here was the wig cap that came with it. You also got a card that told you your user's guide on how to take care of this wig, what to do, what not to do, things like that. Same thing, like why you should buy with SHEIN, and then just to join their club, which I would definitely suggest because everybody always loves a good deal. And so it won't hurt you, especially if you like to buy various units and things like that. So now that we're gonna get into this wig, let me tell you about this wig. For this wig, I felt like this is super soft. I've been wearing it for a week. The ends to me are a little frayed, but I would expect that with wavy and curly hair, especially humid hair. It's not gonna stay bone silk unless it has a silicone or something on it. And this hair does not feel like that. I have not shampooed it yet. I think the color selection is absolutely gorgeous. I'm gonna turn around so y'all can really see the effect of the hair in its natural state, right? I get a lot of compliments on this particular wig, and just to be honest, at first I was a bit skeptical because I was just like, oh, I don't know, but blondes are in and people really love this. And I think the reason I was skeptical because it's 26 inches and it was kind of, you know, like blonde, but it playing off of my natural hair color really, I just think that mixed in with the blonde really does it for this wig. As far as pulling this out the box and wearing it and ready to go, this was that wig for me. I found myself gravitating to it more and more each day just because of how easy it was for me to not worry about having to lay the lace, for me not worrying about having to style it or really do anything. Once again, like I said, I've been wearing it for a whole week and I have yet to style it. So today is gonna be my first day doing anything to it. And so I just decided, instead of curling it or making it straight, that I would just add just some more waving in there. And I don't know how wavy I want to go, so I may do this a bit chunky, but I just wanted to show you guys really quickly how this is. So I'm gonna take my actual paddle brush and just show you. Look, a week in, I haven't shampooed the wig, haven't done anything, and look how soft and pretty this hair is. Like, I'm so for real. Anytime I'm gonna tell you something, girl, anytime I'm gonna really give you the tea, I'm gonna tell you the truth, I'm gonna show you me and how I'm wearing it. It's not tangled in the back, at the nape, anything. Like, I really haven't. The only complaint that I would say, and I really wouldn't even say it was a complaint, it's just that my ends are really frayed for me. And I don't know, well, let me not say I don't know. Duh, I'm the cosmetologist, I know. I think because of the color placement, right? It brings attention to the ends being more frayed and stuff like that. But it just lets you, like, to me, like if this wig was maybe like 16 inches, 14 inches, 18 inches maybe, I think it would really give off the appearance of how natural and realistic the wig looks. But 26 inches, child, my hair not 26 inches long, so I think we all know what, it's a wig. Anyways, so I'm just going to, usually I would section this off very differently if I was curling or doing something to the hair, but I just want to come in and kind of like touch up. I'm not really focused on doing too much. I have not put anything, no water, no product, no anything. This is gonna be my first time applying anything, so I'm doing it with you because that's the way I wanted to bring it to you before we jump into the vlog today. So I'm just gonna be using this. It's just a little heat protectant. Gonna put it spread on the hair because it is human hair, and regardless if it's attached to your head or not, child, you still want to protect it. Please don't think just because it's a wig you don't have to protect the hair and use hair serums and things like this. You have to do that even more so with the wig if you just want to keep the longevity of your wig. So I'm going to take like this first section and kind of do it a bit chunky. I'm also not going to spray any hairspray or anything like that. And y'all do have to kind of forgive me. I am currently in here with like a little cold, some stuff like that going on. I have like, I don't know if it's the flu or what, but so I'm just going to kind of roughly style the hair, and we're going to come back at the end of this and see how it did. And I'm going to let you guys know like what I think as far as styling it and just different things like that. And I can already tell you this is gorgeous. I can just see with the way the color is done on this wig. I would definitely say go and get this wig. This is just a beautiful wig, and just go to SHEIN.com for their wigs. SHEIN wigs, and really look at the variety that they have there on, I was gonna say on the channel, on the website, right? Because there is something for everybody. They have short wigs, they have long wigs, they have curly wigs, afro wigs, and it's all human hair. They have glueless wigs like what I'm wearing today. They have wigs that are not glueless wig, like the beautiful one that you see behind me. And just to show y'all how pretty this just waved up. A lot of times when dealing with wigs, I love to use a textured wig, especially if I'm wanting to get more waves and more texture. They just, that's just a cheat code for you if you're, because sometimes with the straight, yeah, you get that look, but when the wig is slightly textured already, it just curls even more beautifully. It waves even more beautifully, even if you're doing it as a roller set. Because I thought about doing this as a roller set, and I probably will, and just come back and do another video with it, showing you guys if you want to keep like the longer waves and curls and stuff like that. So I don't want to talk too much. I'm gonna come back after I finished crimping it and show you the finished look. I'm halfway through. Baby, girl, I'm not gonna put any layers in this wig. I'm just be honest, I'm not. I think I'm gonna keep this one exactly like it is, the length, and retain this length because I really like it. Eventually I may color the blonde like a brown. I don't know, because I love it so much. I may just leave it this way. But y'all, this is the side that I have not styled. This is how the wig came. This is the side I'm styling. That's all I gotta say. All the information about this wig, what type of wig, all that, my discount code, all that, how to find the wig is gonna all be in the description and in the comment section of the video. So make sure to drop a little fleur-de-lis. I love it. I don't have no problems. She don't want no problems with me. She don't want no problems with me, baby. She beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, this is so pretty. So pretty. Ugh, honey. I really didn't have to add the extra waves, but the fact that I did and how it's playing on this color, baby. It's nothing. Okay. So, I had to stand up, and I hope y'all like the dress. It is SHEIN as well. And you can find it in my haul for Vlogmas that I did. I'll even tag it in the video for you. But here we go. This is the hair, waved up. So freaking pretty. So freaking pretty. Can y'all see it? So freaking pretty. I just think the color plays so well into the hair. And am I gonna tell you to get it? Yes. Yes, I'm gonna tell you to get it. Yes, I'm gonna tell you to get it, because would I not? Would I not? Would I gatekeep? Absolutely not. Go get it. Go get it. Oh, I like it so much better with the extra waves and stuff in it. I don't think I would ever, I may do this one curly, because baby, she popped out like this with the waves. I'm sorry, y'all. I keep looking in the window because I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling. Okay, she popped out like this with the waves. I can only wait to see how she's going to look with the curls, okay? All right.